Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Abu Jahl gathered the army together. He managed to convince Umayyah bin Khalf to join him. And here in Badr, it was a different scenario altogether. The Sahaba Ikram that came with the beloved Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam had one thing in their mind, and this was said to them, that we are to intercept a caravan. That was in their mind. And this caravan was fully laden. It had enough goods that was going to be sufficient for them in Madinatul Munawwara for a long time. And that was in their mind. That was told to them, and there was nothing, no message given to them that we are going to go and defend ourselves, and we are going to fight. It's a battle against an army. Nothing of that nature. However, the beloved Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam was given information by Jibril Amin, O Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, now that Abu Sufyan had left Badr, he's taken the coastal route towards Makkah, and a message has been given by Damdam, a fast rider, and Abu Jahl has now prepared an army and he is now heading towards Badr. So the Prophet ﷺ was promised by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, which he had mentioned to the Sahaba Ikram, that you have two options. Option number one, if I make dua, we can go and get that caravan, we can intercept it and we will get mal ghanimat. But the other option is, Abu Jahl is coming for you and he's coming with an army. If we stand here and defend ourselves, then we will have control over the Quraysh. The beloved Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam was quite happy with the second option, mentioned it to the Sahaba Ikram, and the Sahaba Ikram, most of them were not even told that we are going to for a battle. They were quite happy with the option initially that brought them out of Medina, was to go and intercept a caravan and get the war booty. So they said, but you know what, we are not prepared for this, and we've been told earlier on, we would have prepared ourselves. This was the kind of talk that was going then. This made the Prophet ﷺ unhappy, and Hadhrat Abu Bakr Siddiq radiallahu ta'ala anhu, he stood up and he gave a talk in which he had changed the minds of the Sahaba Ikram that we should go and defend ourselves. We should not, fight against Abu Jahl. Hadhrat Umar Farooq radiallahu ta'ala anhu also gave a similar talk, which made the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam very, very happy. And then it was Hadhrat Sa'd ibn Ubadah. He was one of the chiefs of the Ansar. When he stood up and gave a talk and he said, Ya Rasulullah, the intention of intercepting the caravan, take that out of your mind. Now what we need to do is to consider defending ourselves and fighting against Abu Jahl. These are matters that you should discuss about, and as far as I am concerned, who I represent from the Ansar, they will listen to me when we should go and defend ourselves. So the beloved Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam was very, very happy. Then Miqdad bin Amr from the Ansar, he stood up after Sa'd ibn Ubadah and he said, Ya Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, remember, we are your followers. We will obey to whatever you have to say. We are not like the Bani Israel. When Hadhrat Musa alayhi salatu wasalam approached the Bani Israel said to Hadhrat Musa alayhi salam, Idhab anta wa rabbuka faqatila hahuna qaidun, that you and your God go and fight, and we will remain here seated. We are not the Bani Israel. If you instruct us to go to the east, to the west, wherever you go, instruct us to go, we are prepared to take commands from you. We are prepared to listen to you. When the beloved Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam heard this from the Ansars, he was very, very happy, and now preparation was now being made to meet up with Abu Jahl.